guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So are you actually looking for something to just use and rub on your face to get rid of all of those age spots and just get rid of all of those stuff on your face? Are you actually looking for something to clean your face with without using all of those chemical ones you get in the market? Okay, you can actually use a cotton pad and you clean your face with this natural remedy that I'm going to be showing you. You can just use 2 drops of it or even more, and you use that to get a smooth and a flawless skin. Yeah, so if you want to do that, let me take you right into this video. But don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and then let's go. Okay guys, so the first ingredient is going to be watermelon. Okay, so watermelon is a great remedy because it contains a lot of water, and the juice content in it helps so much to glow the skin. It helps to polish out the skin. It helps to make the skin look super duper young. Okay, now the skin actually requires a lot of water, yeah, and that's why we need watermelon. Now few drops of this watermelon juice on your skin would make your skin super duper glowing. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting a knife in it, and I'm going to be cutting just a little of this watermelon, and here you go. Okay guys, so I would have to say this again. Now your watermelon has to contain seed. Okay, if you have a seedless watermelon, you do not need to use it for this remedy, because it's actually not going to work like the watermelon that contains seed, because the watermelon that contains seed is organic. Yeah, that's actually the difference. Okay, so now would have to be, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be creating the watermelon. Now even if you create your watermelon or you blend it, you're still going to get enough juice. Alright guys, so after creating it, then we'll have to be sieving this, putting it in the sieve, and then sieve it. And this is the remnants, which we're not going to be using this for now. Here we have the watermelon juice. Then also we're going to be needing cucumber. Now cucumber is a great remedy that helps to increase the elasticity on the skin, and it also helps to maintain the skin and leave the skin glowing. It helps to remove puffy eye, dark eye circles, and it also helps to maintain an even and a glowing skin. So what I'm going to do, I am going to be cutting this, and then I would have to peel it first, remove the peel. After that is done, then we'll have to be creating it. Okay, now for this ingredient we do not need the peel of the cucumber. That is why we actually removed it. Okay, now after that, then we'll have to be sieving it out. We're gonna get a strainer. So I'm equally gonna be straining out the peeled cucumber and also grated cucumber. I'll be pressing out the juice. And here I have the chaff, and this is the cucumber juice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be turning the cucumber juice into the watermelon juice, and then I'll give it a stir. And then the next ingredients will be almond oil. Now almond oil contains vitamin E and lactic acid. Now this acid helps to leave the skin looking glowing by removing the signs of aging, which are dark spots, age spots, wrinkles, and fine lines. Yeah, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be needing about half teaspoon of this oil. And after putting the oil, then we'll have to stir it. And also we're going to be making use of carrot oil. Now if you don't have carrot oil, you can equally make use of the carrots itself. Okay, so you can create your carrot, extract the juice, and put it inside this remedy. It's going to work really awesome. Yeah, so carrot oil helps to smoothen out the skin and dissolving any age-related problems. With time, it helps to tighten up the pores. Okay, so we're also going to be putting in half teaspoon of this carrot oil, and then I'm going to be stirring this all up. And also we're going to be making use of glycerin and rose water. This is a great moisturizing agent that helps to tone up the skin. It helps to reduce the redness of an irritated skin, and it also helps to fade dark spots. It clears uneven skin tone and dark under eyes, so it's going to help you look super duper young. So in this particular one, we're going to be needing about 1 tablespoon of this. So 2 teaspoons equals to 1 tablespoon. Yeah, so after that is done, then we'll have to stir it all up and stir it really good. Okay, so that all these ingredients will mix together. And this is awesome. So after this is done, you container, any container of your choice, and then have to open this up and then pour in this juice. Alright, so this is it, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to refrigerate it. Now when you refrigerate it, the oil become congeal, yeah, but when you want to use it, you have to shake it, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so a few drops of this every night before you go to sleep would leave your skin looking really supple and really young, guys. Okay, all of the ingredients in here are really nice and gentle for the skin. So let's go and apply it on the skin. Okay, so just few drops of this, or better still, just 2 drops. But for me, I'm basically not going to be using just 2 drops. Few drops of this, and your skin is going to be looking really wonderful. Look at that. You can see the difference. Yeah, look at that. Just few drops of this. Now before you apply this, you have to dab your face with water. I just dab my face with water and clean it. Now the reason for doing that is so that your face can be soft for the treatment to just, catch up. Yeah, and after that you shake, because there is oil in this, and that's why it settles up. Okay, so you have to shake it really well, and then you pour it onto your face. Oops, I'm going to be pouring it on my hand and apply it on the face. So a few drops of it. It mustn't be like 2 drops or thereabouts. Okay. I think I will be needing more of that. Alright, you can see that. Now this is actually very friendly for your skin, and it's just so easy. It's loaded with vitamin C and vitamin E, which your skin actually needs. You can apply this and sleep with it and wake up the next day looking really transformed, looking really young. Let's take on. Now you have to apply a good quantity of it, yeah, a good amount of it for it to work really well on your skin. So basically you do not have to just wash this immediately you apply. If you don't apply it, if it's not in the night that you're applying this, you would have to leave it on your face for some hours, you know, before you wash it, yeah. But if you're applying this in the night, then you have to leave it on your face till the next day. And the vitamin E, as long as and also the vitamin C, is going to really do the job. And trust me guys, when you use this every day, you can store it. You can see where I kept mine. You can store it and just use it on your face, just a drop or two, and make sure you have a good quantity of it on your face. I need it to just get into my skin and really soften my skin really well. That's why, you know, you would have to apply much of it. And I tend to put it in my eyebrow because I tend to experience some breakouts there. And also it's going to, you know, like kind of tone up your skin, not like bleach, but you know, it's gonna tone up your skin, you know, when you wake up the next day. Gradually, you know, you're going to see a whole lot of improvements. Store it in the refrigerator and you're going to be loving the result of this. Like, trust me, because this is really wonderful. It has actually been helping me. You can see, if you've seen my face a few months ago when I was pregnant, you should know how awful and rough my face looks like. It wasn't it was bad, but now it tends to, you know, clear up and looking all beautiful. So when you wake up the next day, you wash it off and you're good to go. You don't have to go out with it on your face. Okay guys, so that's it. Have you seen that? That is actually very beautiful. Like, I'm loving the way it is on my skin. Okay, it's so gentle, it's so mild, it's something you can use basically every day and you are gonna be loving it. Yeah, it is as simple as that. Okay, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. And stay beautiful. Bye guys. Mwah.